They're really moving the dirt around over there. Again, construction, construction, construction. That's what it's all about down there. All the way down there, some homes are being built. First floor block. So that's good to see. First floor block is going up. And let's go inside and have a look at this house. Hey everybody, Rich Noto here, Florida licensed realtor, Florida licensed home inspector, Florida Notary Public with loan signing agent certification, your construction trained realtor. And it's so important to have a realtor that has construction training on your side throughout the process. You can't even imagine how important it is, especially if you're a first-time home buyer. If you're a first-time home buyer, I always suggest to all first-time home buyers, you know, pick up the phone and call some contractors, call some roofing companies, siding companies, stucco companies, and see how much they charge to make repairs.
At RichNotoHomes.com, find the house you're looking for in Central Florida, Orlando, Kissimmee area. Are you interested in a full-time living residential house or a vacation home? Investing in a rental income property? Thinking about selling your home? Look no further than RichNotoHomes.com. Dependable help from start to finish. Don't make a mistake along the way. Go to RichNotoHomes.com.
Whether the house is going to be built over the course of 6 months or a year, or it's already completed, or it's a used house, a resale house that could potentially have construction issues and leaks. It's so important to have a realtor with that sort of background to help you identify it, along with a great home inspector or maybe 2 home inspectors. Now I'm over at Toll Brothers at Regency at Waterset, which is over in Apollo Beach, Florida, and this is a 55 and over community, and it's going to be a great one. The location looks really nice. I like it, and it's just all empty home sites right now, so I'm so lucky to make this recording and to see homes that I've never seen before. I like that. I don't think I've ever seen the Razorbill floor plan before. Now check out the video at the end as well for more information, and also keep in mind, please always contact me first before you contact the home builder or before you walk any models. When you contact the home builder first, you may lose or void your paid for by the builder realtor representation, which makes it free to you. So everything that I do for you along the way is going to be totally free to you. It's use it or lose it. The Razorbill from Toll Brothers. Alright, so when you first walk in, you see where I'm standing. Pretty nice. Pretty nice when you first walk in. I like how everything looks. I feel like I've been out in the sun for too long today. So we got a full bathroom and a bedroom. So that's nice. I like this because I'm not seeing like the usual like bedroom here, bedroom there sort of thing. So I'm kind of up against the wall. Let me see if I get my foot in there, my leg, there it is. Yeah, so kind of different because again, you know, usually with most homes there's another bedroom right there, but there's not. So let's see where that other bedroom might be. Ah, here it is. So this is more so a flex room. Flex room or a den, or whatever you want to do with it. Let's see the garage. It's epoxied as well. Yep, so they got the epoxy on this floor. And it looks great, you know, especially for a model home, you know. I think every model should have the epoxy, and when you purchase a house, it's always a great idea to seal the cement in some way, shape, or form, even if you don't want to paint it, but at least seal it with some sort of clear sealant so it doesn't keep like crumbling and creating dust. I think this is the HVAC closet. Yeah, that's HVAC. And here's your washer and your dryer and your laundry room. There's a lot of room in here as well. It's a big room. Big laundry room. Oh, this is nice. Very different looking cabinets. Yep, and Toll Brothers with the clear door on the pantry. Let's see, what's this like? That's interesting. What it feels like. It kind of feels, it has like a bit of like a wood feel, like there's bumps on it. Let's take a look. What did they do back here? What kind of pool? Oh, that's nice. Look at that. Look at the waterfall. Wow. Yes, you got a great lanai, or your covered patio. You can see they got a grill out back. Yeah, fantastic room. Temperature in here set to 67 degrees. I thought it was a little bit cold. Well, cold for my taste. I keep my house somewhere from like 78 to 84 degrees. So it's pretty warm. But usually for me, like 80 is the sweet spot. But anyway, let's get back to this house. Beautiful master bedroom. This bed looks so comfortable. This just looks so soft. Oh, look at that. I don't really want to mess it up. But boy, that looks soft and fluffy. I just want to lay down. Oh, that's nice. So you can see there's a sink over here, and there's a lot of space before the next sink. I see you, toilet in the closet room. There you are. Oh, they gave you a painting. That's nice. That's nice. Toilet in the closet room gets a painting. Something to look at. Okay, this is a great shower too, you know. But again, you know, this is a model house, and as I say in like so many videos, model homes are so upgraded. You know, builders sink a lot of money into most of them, and especially Toll Brothers. You know, Toll Brothers, typically their models easy 100, 200, 300 grand in some of them, or more. It's crazy. I remember one time I was in a Toll Brothers house years ago, and the pool itself was like $300,000. So I was like, wow, like $300,000 just for the pool. It's a big closet, by the way. Really nice. I'm gonna flip the camera around. Okay, so a great closet, and I mean, there's just so much space in here. Well, what could this be? 15 by 15 or something? Is this? Let's see if I can figure this out a little bit. 13 by 13? No, maybe this might be 15 feet right here. I don't know. It's a big closet though. So, you got the shower that you can just walk in. Pretty nice, just kind of like step down into. And again, nice space between the sinks. The fluffy bed, oh man, the fluffy bed right now, it just looks so good. So comfortable. And the kitchen, so they have the gourmet kitchen sort of thing going on over there to the right. And Yeah, this looks great. What a nice house. I like it. And the tray ceiling. The extra upgraded sort of tray ceiling with the wood look around it. Toll Brothers never disappoints. That's wonderful. I mean, it looks wonderful. I don't think I've ever seen a Toll Brothers model that I didn't like. I might not like the floor plan so much with some of them, but the models are always beautiful. I do appreciate everyone stopping by to watch this video. Please check out my other videos and check out my website at richnotohomes.com. You could always find the latest homes for sale at the bottom of each community's page if it's listed on the MLS. Again, this is the Razorbill modern ranch elevation. Let's see what we have over here. Prior to being a realtor, I purchased a house without a realtor and then with a realtor who had no construction training, no construction certification. And I can tell you that it's extremely important to have a realtor with construction certification. Here's how to get my service paid for by the builder, free to you. Please contact me first before you contact any home builder. When you contact a home builder first, you may lose your paid for by the builder realtor representation. If you email them, call them, text them, go to the sales office, walk the models, anything that they can match up at the time of contract, they may say you cannot use a realtor. Please don't contact the builder and ask what their policies are either, because that would be your first contact. You see how this works? When I went to purchase my first house, I was given terrible advice. Everybody told me I had to pay for a realtor, which is just not true. I had no realtor and it was terrible. From start to finish, it was exhausting. I was treated poorly at sales offices, and after I signed my contract, the salesperson basically vanished on me. It was just a terrible experience. When I purchased my second house, I knew I needed a realtor, so I started searching. I encountered top sellers who seemed impressive, but they were just high pressure sales. They were telling me to go to the builder, tell them I'm your realtor. When you pick out the house you want, contact me and I'll come down and help you. They would show me 2 homes, 3 homes, ask me which one do I want to buy. Many of them couldn't even respond properly to an email, which is much like when I help my buyers to find resale homes. Many of the realtors that are selling these homes, it's like they don't even read what you wrote. So my realtor ended up being a new realtor. He was loyal. He went with me to like 20 builders that I picked out. He wasn't selling me out to sales associates. He wasn't selling me out to other realtors. He wasn't selling me out to resale home sellers. He was no doubt on my side. So like most realtors, the realtor that I picked had no construction training, no certification. At the time, I didn't even consider it. As we went from house to house with new construction, with resales, there were times I had questions and he didn't know, or he was kind of guessing, and he would at least tell me he's just guessing. The information that I received was incorrect. I realized that home inspectors are there to look over a house and find issues with them. But let's face it, the home inspector is with you for 2 hours, 3 hours looking at the house that you're interested in buying. Your realtor is with you, if the realtor is a good realtor, for potentially 6 months, 12 months while a new construction house is being built. Your realtor is going to be the one that's going to be there with you when you're dealing with rude, obnoxious construction managers that are lying to you when the home is built incorrectly, and they just want you to just go away. They want you to just sign, say the house is okay, or it's going to be passed off the warranty, and that's it. So having a realtor without construction background is not a good idea. And if I was going to be buying a house in another state, even though I have a home inspector's license and I am trained, I would still want to find a realtor that is construction trained, because the more eyes, the better. Everybody's going to spot something different. Just some quick tips, just want you to understand that. I believe in a comprehensive realtor service where I could answer and guide and look at home inspection reports and have an understanding of what's going on and how to help my buyers best. Thanks for watching this. Back to the video.